Forgetfulness after 60 isn't just about aging. It's about how we live. The human brain doesn't suddenly lose its sharpness, it adapts to how we treat it. If we stop challenging it, stop fueling it, stop connecting it, it quietly begins to slow down. But here's the hopeful truth: the brain can rebuild itself. Even at 60, 70, or 80. Science calls it neuroplasticity, the brain's lifelong ability to form new connections, repair old ones, and rewire pathways for memory, focus, and clarity. Today, you'll learn 3 powerful daily habits, simple, science-backed rituals practiced by the world's sharpest elders. You don't need a gym, a supplement, or a miracle pill. You just need intention. Let's begin. Habit 1, the morning recall ritual. Train your brain like a muscle. Every morning, when you wake up, your brain is in its most impressionable state. Before reaching for your phone, before turning on the news, take 1 minute, just one, to recall 3 things from yesterday. What did you eat for breakfast? Who did you speak with? What small detail caught your eye? A sound, a color, a moment? This simple act, called active recall, wakes up your hippocampus, the brain's memory center. It's like stretching your mind after sleep. Japanese neurologists at Tokyo Medical University found that seniors who practiced daily recall tasks, even for 5 minutes, had significantly better memory test scores within 3 weeks. It's not about remembering everything, it's about reminding the brain that memory still matters. You can even make it enjoyable. Ask yourself, what made me smile yesterday? Or, what did I learn, no matter how small? Write it down if you like, because writing doubles the brain's encoding process. In Okinawa, Japan, home to some of the world's longest living people, elders often gather in the morning to talk about the previous day's experiences. It's not gossip, it's brain training disguised as storytelling. The key is consistency. 1 minute every morning keeps your mental circuits alive and active. Habit 2, the memory walk. Move to think better. Have you ever noticed that your best ideas come while walking? That's not coincidence. Movement literally feeds the brain. Each step increases blood flow, delivering oxygen and nutrients that keep brain cells firing efficiently. Researchers at the University of Illinois found that walking just 40 minutes a day increased the size of the hippocampus by 2% in older adults. That might sound small, but it effectively reversed brain aging by almost 2 years. And the best part? You don't need to walk fast. In fact, slower, mindful walking, like the Japanese Shinrin-yoku, or forest bathing, has shown even greater benefits for memory retention and emotional calm. When you walk, try this small twist: don't just walk, observe. Notice the smell of the air, the sound of leaves, the texture of the path under your feet. Every sensory input strengthens neural connections. It's like feeding the brain tiny doses of nature's data. In studies from Kyoto University, seniors who walked outdoors and practiced mindfulness had sharper attention spans, fewer mood swings, and higher creativity scores. Why? Because memory and mood are linked. When your body relaxes, your memory opens up. So, turn your walk into medicine. No phone, no rush. Just you, your breath, and the world reminding your mind to stay alive. Habit 3, the memory meal. Feed your neurons like a centenarian. We often think memory loss begins in the brain. But science says it begins in the gut. Inside your digestive system live trillions of microbes that send chemical messages directly to the brain through the vagus nerve. When your gut is inflamed or imbalanced, those signals become foggy. You feel tired, forgetful, or distracted. That's why the world's sharpest elders eat in a way that nourishes not just the body, but the brain. In Japan, elders follow a principle called harahachi bu, eat until you're 80% full. It's a practice of mindful restraint that keeps metabolism smooth and inflammation low. Their plates are filled with colors, green vegetables, fermented foods like miso and natto, and omega-rich fish like salmon and sardines. Each of these nourishes neurons. Fermented foods restore gut bacteria. Fish oil strengthens brain membranes. And leafy greens like spinach and seaweed deliver magnesium and antioxidants that protect against brain aging. A Harvard study followed 16,000 women over 70 for 2 decades and found that those who ate leafy greens at least 6 times per week had memory performance equivalent to people 11 years younger. That's the power of simple, daily nourishment. No pills, no powders, just real food, eaten slowly, with gratitude. Try this. Every day, add one brain food to your plate. It could be blueberries in your breakfast, green tea instead of coffee, or a small bowl of fermented yogurt after lunch. Over time, your brain responds. Because what feeds your gut, feeds your memory. Bonus practice, the stillness minute, reset your mind's noise. After 60, your mind doesn't need more stimulation, it needs more stillness. 1 minute of calm breathing can do more for your memory than hours of screen scrolling. When you sit quietly, focusing only on the breath, your brain's default mode network, the part responsible for self-reflection and daydreaming, resets. It's like cleaning a cluttered desk before working. A study from the University of Wisconsin found that older adults who practiced short daily meditation had stronger memory recall, reduced anxiety, and even better sleep quality. They didn't chant or meditate for hours, just 1 to 2 minutes of silence and deep breathing, 3 times a day. Try this today. Sit upright. Close your eyes. Inhale slowly for 4 seconds. Exhale for 6. That's it. You've just given your brain the oxygen and balance it craves to function at its best. The truth about memory loss. Memory loss isn't fate. It's feedback. Your brain is telling you what it needs: movement, nourishment, reflection, and rest. The biggest mistake people make after 60 is assuming it's too late. But neuroplasticity doesn't retire. Your brain still rewires, still learns, still heals if you give it the chance. The elders of Okinawa, Sardinia, and Nagano don't chase youth, they nurture their present. They walk, they recall, they breathe, they eat slowly. And in doing so, they build not just memory, but meaning. Every new habit is a spark. Each spark lights up another neuron, another memory, another day of clarity. And over time, those sparks become your light. The light that keeps your mind alive long after the body slows down. So tomorrow morning, before coffee, before news, before worry, recall something from yesterday. Walk a little. Eat a little cleaner. And give your brain the respect it's earned after all these years of service. Because even at 60, 70, or beyond, your mind is not fading. It's waiting. Waiting for you to bring it back to life. If this message resonated with you, share it with someone you care about. Because memory loss doesn't have to be feared, it can be reversed, one mindful habit at a time. This is AgeProof Secrets, where aging becomes strength.